I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Scholar and signing in. This link saved articles and settings. Enter a concise query with quotes for exact phrases and use author, name when you need specific investigators. Once done, apply a time range to focus on recent work and switch sorting to date if currency matters. Make sure to enable library links for full text access where possible. This saves time when you need PDFs for your project. Now refine results. Click Cited By to discover influential papers and how the field progressed. This helps assess impact. Use related articles to broaden coverage without retyping queries, and open promising PDFs in new tabs for comparison. As you go, save items to My Library and apply short labels like background or methods so sources stay organized. Also export citations in BibTX or finish by exporting citations and double-checking author names, titles, and DOIs to avoid errors in your references. Download final PDFs, examine methods and supplementary files, and note datasets or code links for reproducibility. Then compile your bibliography using your chosen reference manager and ensure in-text citations match. If you can't access full text, try enabling institutional access in settings, search the author's profile for preprints, or request the paper via interlibrary loan. This usually
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.